Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung pinaka number 1 na kalaban natin. Insecurity. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on how to overcome your insecurity because this is very essential for building self-confidence. So, ano ba yung mga signs na insecure kang tao? Or ano yung mga signs na low confidence ka because of your insecurities? Number 1 is constant self-doubt. Wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo. Lagi mong dina-downplay yung sarili mo. So, every time na meron kang gagawin, lagi mong sinasabi, kaya ko ba to? Na putik, di ko naman kaya to. Yung mga ganon. Number 2 is, you always compare yourself to others. So, lagi mo na lang sinasabi na buti pa si ganyan, buti pa si ganito. Hindi naman ako ganyan, hindi naman ako ganito, katulad ni insert name. James Reid, Ding Dong Dantes. Yung mga ganon. Number 3 is you avoid social situations because yun nga, you have low confidence because of your insecurities, because you compare your others to yourself na pogi si ganyan, buti pa sa ganito, makinis, yung mga ganon. So, ginagawa mo, nag-isolate ka na lang, you never put yourself out there. So, kung palagi kang may self-doubt, lagi kang kino-compare yung sarili mo, lagi mong ina-isolate yung sarili mo, is number 1, you will miss opportunities for growth. So, never ka mag-grow. Kasi again, we grow outside our comfort zone. So, kung lagi mo na lang ina-isolate sarili mo sa comfort zone mo, never ka mag-grow as a man. Number 2, you may struggle to connect with others. Again, as a man, we are made to connect, to penetrate, to invite someone into our world. Now, kung hindi mo magagawa yun, kung hindi ka lumalabas ng comfort zone mo, kung hindi mo tinatry mag-grow. And number 3, your self-esteem will remain low. Kaya nga tayo nandito. Kaya nga tayo nasa personal development journey. And alam ko, kaya ka nandito, it's because you want to improve your confidence. So, if wala kang gagawin about your insecurities, then you will remain the same. You will remain sa low self-esteem. Okay, so bakit ba mahalaga to? So, addressing insecurity is vital para sa masculinity natin. Because again, we are born to penetrate. We are born to invite and pursue. Ganyan. And never chase. Basta never chase. Pursue never chase. Hindi tayo chaser. So, we only pursue or open the door. Tayo lang yung una talaga mag-make ng move. Alright? So, ano ba yung mga keys in order for you to lessen your insecurity? Kasi never naman talaga mawawala insecurity, guys. Ang mangyayari lang yan is kailangan mo lang siyang makontrol on how you talk about yourself. So, every time na meron kang constant self-doubt, palitan mo yung dialogue sa utak mo. Always push yourself kasi you are your number 1 fan. Ikaw lang yung susuporta sa sarili mo, lalo na kung nagsisimula ka pa lang. If hindi ka pa nakaka-build ng something, lagi tayong nagsisimula sa zero. Yung value natin sa man laging zero kasi ine-earn natin yun. So, in order for you to have a confident mindset para mawala yung self-doubt, you need to move outside yung comfort zone. Kailangan mapatunayan mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo. And you can do that by stacking up wins. Kahit small wins lang. So, kapag sinabi mo mag-workout ako, okay, I will set a workout 3 times a week. And then kahit 3 times a week lang, i-hit mo yun. So, with that one, ma-ainsel na sa mind mo na, putik, madali lang pala to, kayang-kaya ko pala to. And apply mo yun sa lahat ng gagawin mo. So, stack up your small wins. So, with this one, ang benefit nito, you will feel more empowered and confident. It's because every time you win, kahit gaano pa kaliit yan, is nag-stack up yan sa self-esteem mo. Number 2, you will build healthier relationship. It's because kung hindi ka insecure, hindi ka sad boy. Yan yung mas dalas sa problema ng mga sad boy is sila ay insecure. So, ayaw naman natin ng sad boy, ayaw natin ng sad boy na manipulative at toxic. Kasi magiging toxic lang yung relationship nyo once na maging sad boy ka. And number 3 is you'll attract more positive experiences. Because you're a positive person, you will attract positive rin. So, a lot of positive people, experiences, ang lalapit sa'yo. So, with that one, identify one insecurity na gusto mo nang baguhin sa sarili mo and work on it. Because kaya ka naging insecure, sign yun. Kaya ka nasasaktan, sign yun na kailangan mo na siyang i-work on. So, kung na-insecure ka sa katawan mo, sign mo na yan to work out. Kung na-insecure ka sa skin mo, sign mo na yan to have a skincare routine. Ganyan. So, I hope this video helps. See you on the next one. Let's go.